When any marketer is looking to launch a follow-up campaign using SMS, they need to follow the 10 DLC guidelines. Let's take a look at how FlowUp helps marketers to set up their first 10 DLC approved SMS campaigns. In order to start creating your 10 DLC approved campaigns with SMS service, first of all, you need to create and register your brand as per the new 10 DLC compliance. For that, you need to go to Settings menu and go to Compliances and select 10 DLC brand. If you are starting from scratch, you will not see any brands and also see a tab to create brand. You need to click on it. This is one of the most important steps that you need to handle carefully and make sure that all your business registration information like your brand name and EIN number, which is there on your legal documents, should be exactly the same as what you are putting here. If such information is mismatching, your brand registration can get failed, and you need to carry out the process again. So, we suggest that when you opt for this section, either keep your documents with you or keep all the necessary information noted with you to avoid confusion. Now fill up all the details, and once done with that, you will be on the brand list where you will see the brand that you just submitted for approval in review status and a notification on the top right of the page that says, "Brand registered successfully. Please check the status after 5 minutes." Wait for 5 minutes for our brand approval status. Once your brand is approved, you can proceed further with your campaign creation. Now, as shown in the quick campaign setup video, you need to go to Campaign menu and start filling up your campaign details. When it comes to the follow-up strategy, you need to select Create Strategy. For now, that will take you to the whiteboard to design your follow-up strategy. Click on the plus sign under Start and select SMS. Double-click the SMS action card. Select the number from the drop-down that you want to use as a caller ID for your SMS or purchase new. In the next step, select SMS template. Here you can select the message template that you have already created, or you can create a new one through Create New option. Where in the first field give the template name, in the next field add the actual message under Add Text and click on Save. Now, as you are setting up your first SMS campaign with a new number, you will have a notification right below. Select the SMS template to fill 10 DLC SMS details to proceed further. This is where you have to select your brand and 10 DLC campaign registration for your SMS campaign as per 10 DLC compliance, and you have to submit your message template with numbers for approval for later use in your campaign. Click on the Select Brand drop-down and select the brand we just created. Click on the Select Use Case button. This will give you a list of available standard and special use cases and monthly charges for that. You can select the applicable use case for your business and click on Save. Next, we have content attributes where you have to specify the presence of a URL or a link and a phone number in your template by selecting a yes and no option. Similarly, you have to select the yes or no option if your message is related to affiliate marketing or is age-gated content. Finally, there is an option to opt for auto-renewal for your campaign, which means you are activating auto-renewal for the monthly fee as per your use case for the campaign. Then click on Save. Once done with that, you need to add a delay between two action cards and keep continuing your strategy design as per your requirement and click on Validate Flow. Continue to set up your campaign with all further necessary steps, and you will be ready with your first 10 DLC approved SMS campaigns.